Hey y'all, welcome back to Spirited Outdoors. We got the Flintlock rifle out, trying to do a little squirrel hunting. Seeing a few squirrels. Taking our time, no. See if we can get us a squirrel this morning. Y'all stick with us. Well, y'all, so far, if it could go wrong, it's went wrong. I've missed a squirrel. Well, I've missed 3 squirrels. Flint has got moved, quit striking. First thing, on the very first shot, I wiped my gun down with some oil. Flint wouldn't even strike on the frizzing. So we've had a tough go of it this morning. But that is part of somebody like me stepping out of centerfire world, modern hunting guns, and going back to something old. If we ever got to a place in life where we had to go back to the old ways, y'all, we would fail miserably. You don't just go do this. There's a lot to it. If I had had a 22 rifle this morning, I know for a fact I'd have about 8 squirrels in my sack already. I don't have the first squirrel yet, but that's okay. I'm not doing this because I wanted a sack full of squirrels. I want to learn how to hunt with this rifle. So it's being a challenge, and I'm fixing to get another shot at a squirrel here. There's 2 I know that while I was sitting here tinkering on my rifle, I went ahead and swabbed the barrel and all out good while I was here, so I probably got black all on my mouth. I did chew on the patch there a little bit to wet it, to swab it out. But anyway, we having fun. And coffee's good. All right, y'all, in this video, The first part of it, I struggled greatly. We did not kill a squirrel. I finished making the video, cut everything out. It was very short, which is okay, but we didn't have a squirrel kill. The reason it was so short, I broke my ramrod. So there's a ramrod repair video. This is actually day 2. We fixing to go get a squirrel now. Y'all, sometimes it just be that way. We couldn't get nothing to go right for us the other day. That was 2 days ago. We got new ramrod. I got a video coming out on how to build you a new ramrod if you need to. Let's get us a squirrel. Had to finish him off. We did make a real good shot on him. Y'all, I was starting to think it wasn't gonna happen. Now, I always keep a plastic bag of some description just to keep from getting blood all over everything. But we got us a nice squirrel, y'all, with the flintlock. Let's get reloaded up, see if we can get us another one. Y'all, ain't nothing that just makes me happier than walking into a spider web. Right up in the face. Wind starting to breeze just a little bit. We got cold weather moving in today, so it could get tough from here on spotting them. I got one spotted out there, but we're gonna have to do some stalking to get close. I have got nothing. He's right at the butt of my gun on that tree right there, running up it. And this open between me and him, he gonna see me sure as a whirl. He done jumped up in another tree. I got a chance. All right, I got him behind them trees right there from us. Y'all, toes first. He's behind them trees now. Let me slip up right here. See, we got us a string of trees. Where's he at now? He's supposed to be right up there somewhere. He's up here. Okay, there he is. He's out there on that limb, see him? Right there. Come on, he done run over another tree too. This is a little more difficult with a rifle and the camera, I tell you. I got this clump of trees right up here between us. He keeps going yonder way. Y'all, we finally got us a few squirrels. We fixing to have to get back to the house, end this little hunt. But thank y'all for joining us for a little flintlock hunt. Y'all, I really like this little rifle. I'm still struggling with it, getting used to it, hitting with it. I am not as accurate as I ought to be. So we've got some more shooting to do. Been stingy with the powders, probably part of it, and hadn't practiced enough. But thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. Remember, the best way to do things, the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time.